Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we are looking at 903 Rodman Street, apartment 1W in Fall River, Massachusetts. This is a first floor, one bedroom apartment located in downtown Fall River. Here we are in the main parlor living room area. As you can see, it has beautiful hardwood floors. In the kitchen, we have tile floor throughout, plenty of cabinet space below and above. Features an electric stove. We have the stainless steel sink here, and fridge in the back. This apartment also is equipped with a space heater to keep the apartment warm during the cold seasons. We have a storage closet to the left, right next to the bedroom here. Bedroom, it does have carpet, which is in excellent condition, and we have a closet right around the corner. And moving back out, lastly, we have the bathroom that also has tile floor. It does not feature a tub, but a stand-up shower. And then we have the toilet here. And this unit is managed by Nexus Property Management, so you do have benefits such as an online login where you can make rent payments online, contact staff, and we also offer other services such as key copying and access to a 24-hour service line for all your maintenance and repair needs. This is 903 Rodman Street, apartment 1W in Fall River, Massachusetts.